Hey, today on Wicked Good Eats, me and Wolfie are going to make a nice roast beef in the smoker. Went and then picked up a nice beef bottom tip roast. This one's about 11.5 pounds. And what I did was I dry brined it overnight. It's not hard to do. You just take it out of the package, give it a good wash, and then put together some salt, some pepper, granulated garlic, rosemary, and then just rub all over the meat. Put it in a nice bowl, put it in the fridge overnight. That's what they call a dry brine. So we're going to put this in the smoker, and we're going to use some, for this one we're going to use some hickory chips. Oak works good. You can basically use whatever smoky flavor you like. Alright, we'll get going. Hold on. So we got our digital meat thermometer, and we got the probe in there just about to the center, and we're going to set it. Right now you can see it's at 43 degrees. It's been in the fridge overnight and with the dry brine. And we set the target temperature for 135 degrees. Alright, so we got initial temperature set at 225 degrees, and let's see how she's doing. Looks like we got some good smoke coming out. Oh yeah, yeah. Woohoo! I got my drip pan, some water in it. About right in the center. The smoke monitor is on duty. Just let me know when the smoke stops, but it'll be there a while. Okay, so we're checking in. It's been about an hour. It's running good at 225. Got some smoke. You can see the internal temperature is up to 52. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours. You can see the internal temperature is now up to 86. So, alright, she's about 4 hours in. She's up to 112. And I'll give you a little peek of what she looks like here, because I just put in some more chips. So, feel that heat come out. So that's what it looks like. And still got water in the pan, so that's good. Alright, we're at 130 degrees. Just about at the 5-hour mark, so we'll keep a close eye on it. Once it hits 135, we'll take her out. Alright, we're about 5 hours and 15 minutes, and we just hit 135 degrees, so she can come out now. Oh boy, does she smell good. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to tent this. A little aluminum foil, let it rest. And I'm going to put the probe in again. Monitor the temperature. Well, the roast beef is resting. I got these nice drippings from my pan. So what I'm going to do is take those, just pour it into this nice pot I got here. And what I'm going to do is add a beef bouillon cube. And I'll heat that up a little bit, and we'll have a nice au jus dipping sauce. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes, and she's topped out of 143, so cooking process is pretty much stopped. And we'll wait till it gets back down to like 135, and we'll start slicing it. Alright, internal temperature's down to 135. She's ready to start cutting. Alright, so we cut into our nice roast beef. You can see, nice medium rare. Get some slices here, some rolls ready. And Wolfie's patiently waiting, so we'll give him a taste. All right, Wolfie, that's it. Go ahead. You're like, oh yeah, he's digging that roast beef. Digging right in. You like that, Wolf? Yeah? Good stuff, huh? All right, everybody. Smoked roast beef. Enjoy. Let me know how you make out. All right. So we got this nice roast slice, nice and thin, nice and pink. With these toasted rolls, and we got the au jus for dipping. Some people like a little lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise on it. I like it just with the au jus, so we're gonna go make a nice sandwich.